All right, guys, Ryan here today. We're going to talk about what do you need to disclose if you're selling a house, or if you're buying a house, what should I expect the seller to disclose to me about the house that he's selling, right? So what things should they tell me? What things do they not have to tell me? Where are the lines of what needs to be disclosed? Let's talk about that really. So first off, number one, the seller needs to disclose any material defects about the house that he or she is aware of. So that's going to be things like foundation cracks, roof leaks, pest infestations, any major issues that are going on with the house. That is a requirement that if they're aware of it, they need to make sure that they let you know. Now, of course, there could be a chance that some things, depending on what it is, that maybe the seller is not aware of it. If they're not aware of it, they're not required to disclose something that they're not aware of. But of course, some of these large things, right, like a roof leak or a major foundation problem, these things are pretty obvious. So if those defects are there, the seller is required to share that with you, right? So number two, they need to really be transparent with you about repairs and the property condition overall. So if there's repairs that they've done to certain things, the seller's disclosure is going to ask these questions in a way that's going to basically bring out the information of, have you done any repairs on this property? And if you did make insurance claims on this property, did the insurance pay you money for this property? And the next one being, if the insurance paid you money for this property, did you use that money to fix the things that you said were wrong, right? So the disclosure is also going to ask a lot of questions just about the general condition of the property overall. Like, are you aware of any issues in the walls? Are you aware of any issues with your wiring? Does your house have a heating and air conditioning unit? What kind? How many units? I mean, these things are normally going to be disclosed there. Also, environmental factors. If your property was ever located in some kind of protected environmental, area, or if there were some environmental factors that are affecting your house, those things would need to be disclosed as well. You'll also see a disclosure about the homeowners association, like how much money are you paying towards your homeowners association? How much does that cost you every month or year? And even what kind of utilities were you using there at the house? A big one too, if anyone's ever died at the house, right? So the seller is not required to disclose a death of natural causes or a suicide, but if there was ever a murder there, they are required to disclose that to you. So these are the kind of things that are going to be on a seller's disclosure that you should have the expectation of a buyer as seeing this and reading this information, or as a seller knowing that you're going to have to put this information out there for everyone to see. I hope that kind of answers the question. If you have more specific questions about this topic, or really any topic at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can reach me on the web at www.ryansmithhomes.com. Once again, that's ryansmithhomes.com, or call us at the office. That's 254-213-5335. Once again, 254-213-5335. Once again, this is Ryan. So thankful for your time today. Signing off for now, but we'll catch up again soon.